ng Josh Cullen inilabas ang tunay na dinaramdam. Whenever Josh would talk about his past, hindi na natin mararamdaman ang kanyang hinanakit at galit cause what we see now is the strong man that he is. Magsasalita man ito ng iilang detalye sa kanyang nakaraan pero hindi na nito masyadong binabahagi kung ano ang kanyang nararamdaman. Pero dito sa kanyang first ever album Lost and Found, lalo na sa unang 3 kanta na kanyang inalabas, ang Silent Cries, Honest, and 1999, dito natin maririnig for the first time how deeply and genuinely hurt he was for everything that has happened in the past. Listening to his songs and internalizing the lyrics, ay masasabi nating this is Josh sharing his vulnerability with us. As what he captioned in his Lost and Found album post, "Unsure if I'm lost or found, but I've been living through both. Lost and found is where my chaos and clarity collide, a reflection of all the moments I can't explain but feel deeply." I think this is his way of acknowledging his pain as part of his healing. Kaya siguradong ang album na ito ay isang malaking bagay para sa kanya. Kaya naman mga Kaps, let's show our full support to our sub.